And the original minister, TikTok minister, Okoya Day. Bibia what their content creation, but concept and content in the yados. Such a tragic incident, say place at theater many pass you. Now, Okwano, Akofa Banchi, Moses, Okurapuma.
It's Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa Bonsu, Abe clash with the Ashanti regional minister, a honorable doctor. Amwakohene. Wabe clashing with him. Ake kana to ever some kind of concert to be Ashanti regional minister Ekoye. After say accident and happy mom and nebo mani mutem have it. No. There's all corner Okurapuma say so ye Moses you. So ye Aaron ye nim Okurapuma or den none followers in your concert or go create content ewo. No. Afrifa Abe clash with him. As a only serious. So beso ye comedy swane or near Jakumunko Yajman, no nya agrona or the ministry no. AD no. I Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Well, like if you do not have my subscribe button, it's not back to the notification and connect with this update. Now back to the wire and their mammy. Our comment section. Mess was so baswa. No she video for so any be ashe. It's back here Wednesday no. Nanka omo launch program bi our boss say I told the responsible mining then the prana. Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Amakwahine Edin kan honmo. Ono kwedin kan ma tip up say BBSC. E don't kan the cast kan kwa wan fan kwa we papa BBS into we tie na chi kakra na adom ko emergency case in case of tum ko wi a obeba back
medicine na nanom se me wi na ma humi a yanya emergency bi ma ha eso no ye ko ne ye ba etimi ne MC fo ni bi ne commanders ni bi ye betu na yakwa ko the handle say emergency ni kakra ministers aka wa chire no mbere na adwumadie no bia ka ni na no ma hwe no ma hwehwe e dia maye me ye sure say betunya wie emergency problem no ni asaba aba be kam ho ansa na mapo ba ma huye na sie wie na me MCs ni bi kwa na nya ne mo ho sem na adwuma bi na aba sensie e wo se yekotu hu ana mo me de besia na madam nyina ba se na go nshira mo
ene se okwana say accident happen as Mutira Mohammed ene o mane bo ama Ghana Force for helicopter chopper a crash ama plane no ija to omuni penyina e she condemn omunyina off. Now after this incident no later no say Dr. Amakwahine yankasa I make it post bi on the TikTok. Wa make it post on the TikTok. I do video ni mu a Okurapuma na so ni omuna na nwura mu as a Moses ya odi Israelfo ani. What I say?
So be so learn pan we jare won black flower won ne nke enti so black flower dam pan ye man kwa e be dey ntu be bam sa nsu to blame I won't blame ni na e wi ase ade ya o wi ase e ya ho ache sole wi ase ni na de ya no oh ni pan wa mre ho a ohu ni che be nem kro no ni na so be so learn pan we jare won black flower won ne nke enti so black flower dam pan ye man kwa e be dey ntu be bam sa nsu to blame I won't blame Nina, we are saying, "Young, we are saying, I have much solid. We are singing again." Oh,
as a Moses, ya odi Israelfo ani. Na we no, and everybody say, ah, na Amakwahine, oh, you serious dey. Issue we yaba. E ha na say we concert. Na Okurapuma na mura mu, no wa transkakra, no we po anim, na wa ye baby a camera da wo so, just adwuma na wo ye no. What that ne content creator? Camera self no. Jai camera self no has we adwuma. Ne ja concert na wo di ministry the aid. Afrifa, abebo na adwene atre Dr. Frank Amakwahine.
It is like your mama feel a part of the people. Say mommy Jane feel a part of the people. I can collect 60 wua. Said you watching the show wa manebo ama ho. Go back to the show. Because it should be a sad day for any nation and your leader. That in collect 60 in a win a day. And may come man for say your leadership should have empathy for you. Man for the sana meko. Said your mama Eka say my condolence in person or make a statement in person and menya edujitamako say no need a response to the mbeka na no ene mo ko ene generation ga ja ko wa sheshu ko ene say the mbeka ne won hia dia and the original minister TikTok minister wo ko ene bibia what the content creation me and me nua no and I like the fact that we are young near point no the person was succeeding. But concept and content in the does. Such a tragic incident, say planes at theater many pass you. Na okwa no akofa banchi bi akura Moses a okura poma. Na ye twa video no one say fa ne ha. When you break, what is a minister? A whole regional minister. What is a minister? Say woo. And I will quote me that I come to see you. And you come for Nina go anymore. Now, baby, I know I'm Panoa and say, any joke on going me. Don't do that. We should take the leadership of the nation a little bit more serious. Moko Bogu. Bogu Uti President. Omaya day. Bogu asam na mbeka. Ana wamu na kowe. Bi buma omo. Mami hwe do dani bona mintimi hwe bi. Chama. Dani okay odi koso abokobi we ni NDC fo ana ma ko bogu asore ho baby ankola 16 ni wu ene no mkoi ene ankola ni wu da bai last 2 weeks or so no ana ene no moko said you kind na me better na kind na say me wie ni atwuma da pa obi general me wie no mo atwuma da pa enkola ni wait 3 weeks mu ni ana ene no mo hunu kwan kɔ hɔ etwoma ne bo amamu anwu dia ayi mutala mu anwu ama katachie na metena meka a very unpopular opinion na kovi general let me make this point. Make it. It is not my job. Munche ni Ghana for. Enye bejuma. Se me ba betena ha. Na me bo aban abaso. Ye tua fele so fosu kwa chika. Oye se adwuma ne deda. Se me jamfi na katua no oje. As party communications wa hwan. Oye se adwuma ne deda. For some reason, the political class has managed to draw journalists into their zone of say. We a journalist, abanye diya ka, abanye diya nyaka. Any journalist does not have any business. Say abanye diya yobabe prison. Unless you are doing promotional story, it is not your job. It is not my job. Say abanye diya ameba betra. Eti na abanye trian krofo so mo ye communicators. Don't mean me mechanic communicators. If you make a mutiny, me maduma ne say, me wo hama bogufuo no. Exactly. It is a bibi to bogufuo. Ese mitimi fechire mani satanka seni a wo sama ide tamfusu. Na me di jato abanya chi no mo kɔ hɔ. Me maduma no no. Eti omo ye no omo say. Ene ekatache da bi oba obɛbɔ aban na chi. Me metena ha nto nwom mamo. Me metiti fufuo mamo ndi. Me ba betena ha na de entwa yie no. Maka. Eno ne maduma. Journalist bia oba be soso so. Ana hey, your mama, you are doing promotional story, you are not doing news, you are not doing broadcasting. It is not your job. To me, I'm forcing catch me. But the news is anything somebody somewhere would like to cover it or hide it. Any other thing is publicity. And I'm not here to do publicity. I am here to feature me. Na memona yebun, baby unko in matching. So bogu for ewu. Na president, kofa video president say. My condolence to the families of the Bogu incident. Ne. Ave man for ne say, Kadechie beka say, yenya president amena anko ho. Yenya vice amena anko ho. Yenya minister of gender. Ehwa ni wu. Enra echi na minister of gender nkola ewu be de ho no. Enra echi no wode letter by say, we commiserate with them. Some make us a regional minister, what an entertainment prefect. Nada be a wo post social media. When to me uncle, so any will be woo, it will be a woo. As a president, vice, and no. Mama, leadership. I so just a top from air time. Obi, any nation be obetenase. Na in one accident, obelusu any future leaders, the next generation, 16 in one accident. Sa nation has to fly ne flag, half mast, the flag must fly, and that day all leaders of the nation must go there. Because it's a national tragedy. And she entiasia. Missy nation be obetenasia in one accident by our own negligence. And when even I was talking, I kept on using say as a nation. I did not even say as a political party. I did not even say your mama. I said as a nation. By virtue of your mama being the leader of the nation, I was expecting him. Yeah, Yana said, even after a week or so, I see him not a whole vice president in Tay. Mokobo vice president the 8 Kwesi Pratt asono nebano Kwesi Pratt ba ama Pratt say asasi asie nkola na wie the boss Tay yenti
nanye vice president Enra Masbury a ekoso ewo boku till sakwanhie nsiye Enra Masbury akoso yente she
hwe meti abna enya wo a wo kan asem we hwe me
a vice president office as a mother Sunday abotre nyabotre mami land wo ha
wo kono white ro
no nyabotre mami ama me bisa wasem say nanka bibi be say wo ho anase sinto biba senka
abna ne fe se mo me nambe nanka bibi say si obi alert me abna ye na yebu manyo ena minya yanka maso wo bebia meni wo bebia aso mienu pe na mewo.
See the arrogance in which she is speaking about such a sensitive matter. Minyaya, like many of baby, a whole vice president, national security, BNI, police, more security apparatus in most vice president in Tisa Uncle 60 years. Now, Unyaya Nanka Wama Prati when you baby, was one baby.
Just look at that.
More fire. It's a shame.
What a shame. And may come a man for no says leadership. And it's going to be there is an envelope. There is a very sharp division between leadership and the people. The people don't feel a part of leadership and vice versa. Leadership does not feel a part of the people. It is like your mama feel a part of the people. Samami Jane feel a part of the people. I can collect 60 war. Said your watching the show because it should be a sad day for any nation and their leader. That in collect 16 a win a day. And may come a man for say your leadership should have empathy for you. Man for the son and meko said your mama. Eka say my condolence in person or make a statement in person and manya edujitamako say no need a response to the mbeka na ano then you moko then general say you get Washeshu kwere said the mbeka ni wunya dia and the regional minister TikTok minister okoya dan bibia what the content creation me and menua no and I like the fact that we are young near point no the person was succeeding but concept and content ne ya dos such a tragic incident say planes at theater many pass you na okwa no akofa banchi bia kura Moses a okura puma na ye twa video no de ne say fa ne ha when you bre what is a minister a whole regional minister what is a minister say wu ana wo ko otimi nya adaje camera sidi wachi ana ye twa mfoni na agugo animo na atena ba bia no apepa no aye nenu say na ne ejoko ngoy adwuma. Don't do that. We should take the leadership of the nation a little bit more serious. Na me kanya ni edidi me matter. Sekadachi. Manfo na make be more so leadership ne mpa o masa mo. Manfo ne bo afu say your mama can any o mane bo amamu yi. Your mama nya press conference. No one can in passing say I commiserate with the family of Omanebo ama mutala na gonya ne ho. On said was sitting issue because a sheno. twafa ne dachi sana sanko ye leader yenka so obi ewu eso koho na mom se wo ye leader na wo empathy ma manfo na se one accident is na enkola 16 wa you must feel the pain esa yo ya manfo na mekum omo no omo na asa na omo ho na mekum na mo adwene na tete seni ewurade nyame obi you feel Stockholm syndrome. The people fall in love with the oppressors and they say ya sheda cha omo mienu MPP for no yenya bo pre no mo da na ya everything MPP mu defend it NDC for no so buy no everything NDC mu defend it na mo adwene na e operate say Edi you know o makoho you know say nkati amda ase se me kan en wako why na gender minister na ese pamono she has no business being a gender minister. She lacks what it takes to lead such a sensitive ministry. There is a reason here you said that a whole ministry for youth, gender and children, because children are the most vital part of every nation's development. And we sit down and we trivialize such issues. Kadecheni betina ha die mehunu munhunu na me ka kire mu nso a na asiefo no amekum omu no omu ne mekum se me ka tia dwomama enya dwomama na me ka tia why die ne ne kwa intimi nye bi o man ni mu 60 you must hear this say 68 years 69 hear this say 68 say ya January 1957 and ya 2025 they got 2 years near this 70 it is 68 years you need the any you ha yes ya the South Africa ya dey ko nso aban no no ye serious wa ye bu man yes, you are buying into me more comfort a medical plane. And from just a buy president, you know. Ninuya, no man for it to test any kind of cheba, I'm a cambi. Was you build your mind, sir, at time. A nation should be serious. O minister say we need DNA. What the young say? Or muso moboto ni mukura na tanya. Ye babedru ye no ye was that time no. Na ye and nanu ye ka omo say. And ye na soldier for no say nya farmers no a. Soldier for enya farmers a. Anka soldier for mo free barracks way. If say ye kase be a military, they are expected or for rescue missions. And a soldier force or money pay. Na baby and one way so dangerous or went me uncle. It took civilians and it's me how you buy. It's your way and some civilians. Any serious nation it won't happen. And can see yana kabos helicopters in the room according the whole area. I found a regional minister say Yamfa aeroplane yes, I'm famra. After yes, I'm famra crano. Yamfan koja assembly no. So say obimpo ne di bonibi. And se bomb near the shame. And the evidence be near the tempering of the evidence. Say before coffee. I found also one sound from major assembly for. Are you serious as a nation? Do we understand what we are doing as a nation? Do we have any clear idea what we are doing? Tempering of evidence. It is citizens, no. No citizen, private citizen, has any business going to pick anything from the scene. And so you see more farmers, no. Abaso. Farmers in my idea. No business. Any serious nation won't happen. Africa, the check we are. My beginning more do change move brain into no. More than I make the wrong thing. Ye boo Maya and your president brother and then the plane. Such serious matter. Yes, sir. A woman say Ibrahim Mama is the best day, but we don't do that. Exactly. So it is a national issue, and the nation must invest in it. A nation in the Sika, whatever for flight, and then the man for Nako, DNA na Unibi for flight, medical flight for Mugumunuswa. I say Ibrahim Nuane Bayama, Ibrahim Yadasi. Why are there? It is not your job, brother. The nation must be serious. We must build a nation that is capable of some of these things. And men, I'm your fool. I'm opening your eyes to another level of leadership. Ibrahim Mama, thank you for doing it, but it's not your job. Ibrahim sponsors emergency forensic transfer. The whole nation into me. Ibrahim ne beti miya nipa bako. And yen yina boy nsem. Okay. Ebrebe benya president bi. Ni nua be dealing in cocaine. Oh yes, I knew man nyina no. No no so di cocaine na machire fwai. Ebrebe beba, nka se ne, ebrebe beba. Sense se hunu se ni asoso. Ti de se ni ye de o se.
We a baby before.
Mama ya so nkwa di what? Obi mo raise
Obet ma chere wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.